When it comes to choosing reliable brokers in Asia, traders should prioritize platforms that offer strong regulation, regional support, a wide range of tradable assets, and robust customer service, especially because the trading environment in many Asian markets demands high transparency and tailored solutions. One top-tier broker that often comes up is IQ Option, widely recognized across Asia due to its intuitive interface, extensive educational resources, and regulatory licensing under the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, though its service extends globally, making it a favorite among both beginner and experienced traders. Another notable name is Olymp Trade, which has built a solid reputation in Asia by offering fixed-time trades and classic Forex trading with low minimum deposits, region-friendly payment methods like local e-wallets or bank transfers, and dedicated customer support that often operates in Asian languages or time zones. Then there is Deriv, formerly Binary.com, which is particularly attractive for its flexibility. It supports multiple types of trading, including options, multipliers, and Forex, and provides powerful tools such as a customizable web terminal and mobile apps, while also maintaining high levels of financial security, transparent pricing, and a strong track record of payouts. In addition, Pocket Option has gained popularity in parts of Asia due to its social trading features, low minimum deposit, and frequent contests, allowing traders to follow or copy more experienced traders, though potential users should check the regulatory status in their country because binary options regulations vary widely in Asia. For those who prefer Forex and CFDs more than pure binary options, brokers like XM and Exness deserve mention. These brokers offer tight spreads, leverage options suited for Asian traders, multilingual customer support, local deposit withdrawal options, including Asian local banking systems and e-wallets, and a long history of reputation and regulatory compliance. Another broker that stands out is FBS, which has a deep presence in several Asian countries. It provides regional offices, bonuses tailored to Asian clients, account types that suit different capital sizes, and educational materials that are localized for Asian markets. What ties all of these brokers together is not just their regional availability, but their commitment to trustworthiness. A reliable Asian broker must be licensed in credible jurisdictions, provide transparent fee structures, offer segregated accounts to protect client funds, and maintain responsive customer support that understands the needs of traders in Asia, including language and time zone nuances. Moreover, these brokers typically support a variety of deposit and withdrawal options that are popular in Asian markets, such as local bank transfers, regional e-wallets, and sometimes even cryptocurrency, which reduces friction for traders funding their accounts or taking profits. Another key factor in determining reliability is execution speed and platform stability. High-quality brokers ensure that trades are executed quickly with minimal slippage, and their trading platforms, whether desktop, web-based, or mobile, are robust enough to handle the high volatility often seen in binary options or Forex markets. Security is also paramount. Reliable brokers encrypt sensitive data, offer two-factor authentication, and adhere to best practices in financial compliance, which are essential for traders who want peace of mind when depositing funds. Finally, a broker's track record, including years of operation, positive reviews from the Asian trading community, and transparent policies on withdrawals, is often the clearest indicator that it is trustworthy over the long term. Taken together, brokers like IQ Option, Olymp Trade, Deriv, Pocket Option, XM, Exness, and FBS are among the most reliable choices for traders in Asia who demand regulatory integrity, localized support, competitive trading conditions, and platforms tailored to both binary options and broader financial markets. But as always, each trader should perform their own due diligence, check the most current licensing and regulatory status in their country, and only risk capital they can afford to lose.